how to delete everything on your mobile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily reset your mobile so that everything in your mobile should be deleted. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to delete everything from your mobile, first of all you have to open your mobile setting and here search for reset. And here you will see reset option, click on first option reset. And here you have to just scroll down and here you can see reset option, click on it. And here you will see 4 different options for reset. So if you want to delete all your data in your mobile, you have to click on factory data reset and just scroll down and here you can see reset option. If you click on this reset option, then everything in your mobile, whether you are using an Android phone or iPhone, everything in your mobile would be deleted permanently. So guys, in this way you can delete everything in your mobile in just few simple steps. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.